Hello everyone. So today's video will be focusing upon what is machine learning, what are the different type of machine learning algorithm we have, and what is the process map for machine learning, right? So the first questions anybody would have is what is machine learning, right? So machine learning is a study of computer algorithm that can improve automatically through experience and by the use of the data. It's seen as an part of AI as well, artificial intelligence, right? So let's say, in basic terms, let's say how we learn something, right? So we learn, right? Or we can say we got train on it, right? And then we will get taste that particular thing, and then we will deploy it, right? That is the simple methodology what we are having it. You will train the different algorithm which is available over here, right? Computer algorithm. You will use those algorithm, and through experience by using different data, you'll be doing the prediction. So there are different type of machine learning algorithm are there. So we will be focusing upon two different type of algorithm. One is supervised machine learning algorithm, okay, and another one is unsupervised machine learning algorithm, okay. So when I say supervised machine learning algorithm, here your data is labeled, right? Your data is labeled. The data is known to you. Here, unsupervised learning data is not labeled, okay. Data is not labeled, okay. So what could be the example of supervised learning? So again, they're going to be a two part over here. One is their regression, and another one is classification technique. Yeah. So what is regression techniques? There are more than 14, 15 type of regression techniques are available, right? So when your outcome variable, right? When I say outcome variable, then I'm referring to what exactly you wanted to predict. If your outcome variable is numeric in nature, right, is number, let's say sales data, right? You have a number into that. So when it is numeric in nature, you will be choosing algorithm regression. When it is categorical, okay, different categories are there, you will be choosing classification technique. For unsupervised learning, we have clustering, right? So how clustering will work? So different type of data combined into cluster, okay, and then it is having apply the logic clustering. So two type of clustering will be look into. One is k-means clustering, and the another one is hierarchical clustering, right? These things we will look into. So this is about the about the machine learning algorithm. Now let's have a uh, look into different okay, let me just remove this. Okay, all right, just give me a moment. Okay, so we are quite clear with what is machine learning, right? And we are also now what exactly the machine learning terminology, right? Or how the process will look like. So you have your input data, you analyze that data, you find patterns, you do prediction and store the feedback, right? So basically we can say that, okay, you have data with you, right? So you do data pre-processing, okay, you do data pre-processing, then you will first you will understand the business case, then you will go forward with the data pre-processing, and then what you will do is you will be working towards the finding the patterns, applying the logics, and then you would be going ahead and applying those algorithm. Then moving forward, you will be deploying that model and keep observing that your model should be that much robust in nature. You'll be able to at least find prediction for upcoming data, right? So this is about the machine learning algorithm. So I hope this video would be helpful to you. We'll be going more deep dive into different machine learning algorithm in our upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching this video.